Okay, so continue in the next part, and that is the next section in the account service, that is logout. Logout is a post method through which we can, log out or the current user session is logged out. So this .http.post, this .base URL plus account logout, and the empty parameters here, just call it. And after that, you can call the pipe transformations. And with the tab, you know that here we have the signal R, because just after that we can call the signal R connections. And the next one is the update address. Address of the type address is there. And you know that address is actually existing in the users class, so that after that we can update the user address. So must to check the user address. So return this .http.post, this .base URL, and here you can add the account and address information. Also, you can get the pipe with the pipe symbol. This .current user .update, that is user. So I want to update the current user address. So this .current user .update, it's a method, and pass the user information in the tab. That is, if user is exist, then you can update the address. Otherwise, it will return the users. Address is not verified, so you need to add an imports related to the address. So address is there, you need to add import sections here. So just right click on it and update import section. And here we have two imports which is related to the users class. So you can handle it and remove it, one of both. Okay. Now the next part is, okay, so you need to add another service which is related to the cart and the order. So I'm go with the order service, or you can just go for the admin service, because I want to handle order inside your admin dashboard, so that we can handle the orders. I want to get all orders, as well as I want to get the orders details. So here you can see base URL is environment.api URL and private HTTP inject HTTP client. Next to call get all orders. So get orders is based on orders params, order param. So here we have a order params is order params, and I want to get a single order based on their ID property. So return this dot http dot get order, and you can just pass the URL, that is this dot base URL plus admin slash orders, and now the orders have an ID property, so just call it ID. Now you can add the order interfaces under your models directory so that we can use order inside your order service. So order also have an order params. So first of all to resolve order, then after to resolve order params. Inside orders we have some another models like shipping address, delivery methods, and the buyer email. These are the properties of the orders, like related to the products items, and as well as the shippings and delivery methods and the coupon as well, or you can say the payment summary. So ID, order date, buyer email is the key property name of your orders. So this is your ID, order date, buyer email, shipping address. These are the properties. And shipping address is also an interface inside your models directory, where you have an name, line 1 and line 2. So name, line 1, line 2, city, and state, and the postal code. and the last one is the country. And you have a delivery method, that is the type of the string. Also, you have the shipping price inside your order, that is the type of the number. And the last one is the payment summary. Also, you have an coupon, and order items is mandatory here. Order item, it's a type of array. And the next one is to add subtotal. It's a type of number. The next one is to discount. The last one is status. And you have a string. The next one is the total, that is the type of the number. Payment intent ID, it's a type of string that is comes from the Stripe. So these all are the columns under your orders. Now the next one is to shipping address, where your order received. And the last one is the payment summary. So first thing, you need to add the last 4 digits of your card. And the next one is to add the brand, the card brand like the Visa and the MasterCard. And the next one is to expiry year in the terms of number. So these all are related to the payment summary. And the next one is to design your order service based on these models. Like orders have an order item and the shipping address and the payment summary. So I need to add another model first, that is order item. That is mandatory for the any order. And in the order item, we have a product ID, that is the type of the number. And picture name, that is the type of the product name and the picture URL. So first of all, to design this model, and based on this model, I want to create a order service, okay, and their methods. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to any queries, please mention in the comments section. And what are the uses of these models? Actually, that models is used to design the service, and the service is actually used inside your components. So first of all, I want to design the models, and based on the models, you need to add services. So these all are the part of your the complete journey of your projects. So the basic need to add models first, that is order item and order to create. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this, and keep watching the remaining videos for the shopping cart and of the jewelry projects.